Hello beautiful creatures! Today I will be showing how to create this very easy 3-step eyeshadow look. If it's something that you want to learn how to do, stay with me and I hope you will enjoy it. As an example, I will be using 5 different eyeshadow palettes and a bigger eyeshadow brush, medium eyeshadow brush, and smaller eyeshadow brush, which is a crease brush. For the base color, I will be using big eyeshadow brush, and some examples of the base color are Tempera from Anastasia, Cream from Lorac Pro. From Lorac Unzipped, you can use the one that's called Undercover. From Viseart Natural Matte Palette, I would use either the lightest one or the second light one. And from Lorac Pro Mega 4, I would use Cool Taupe, Butterscotch, or Foam. I decided to use Viseart palette with the second lightest color from it, and I'm just applying it all over my eyelid from my lash line to my eyebrows. For the definition step, you will be using a medium brush, the brownish color from the Viseart palette. From Lorac Unzipped, you will be using Unconditional. From Lorac Pro, you will be using Mauve or Taupe. And from Lorac Pro Mega 4, you will be using Oat, Mocha. And from Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, you can use Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, Buon Fresco, or Warm Taupe colors. I decided to use Anastasia for my second step, which is a definition, and I'm going to be using Warm Taupe color. So I'm just taking it a little bit on my medium size brush and I'm topping it on the corner of my eye, trying to spread it evenly in the shape of triangle, and then blending it with a blending brush really well so you don't see any edges. So just blend it very thoroughly. The difference is obvious. The eye just looks much more defined and more lifted. For the third step, we are using crease brush, and from Anastasia palette we can use Cypress Umber. From Lorac Pro Mega 4, we can use Mahogany, Cedar, or Dark Chocolate color. From Lorac Pro, we can use Espresso for the accent, or Sable. From Lorac Unzipped, we can use the Unspoken color. From Viseart, we can use the darkest brown color. I decided to use Unzipped by Lorac and that Unspoken color for my accent. And what I do, I just put a little on the crease brush, tap it, the excess, and apply it very close to my eyelash line, kind of dragging it a little in the crease in the shape of very little triangle, and I also apply it a little underneath and blend it with my blending brush. Here we are, guys. I finished my one eye, and actually here you can see both of the eyes, and I think it was a big success. It looks amazing. It's very easy. I'm pretty sure you can repeat it. I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing. Please comment below if you think it was easy or not, and if you have any questions for me. And thank you very much for watching. Love you all. Bye.